Hello everybody, welcome to PlanningPME Web Access. Today I will show you how to create the client's equipment. So in order to do that, I will go to the menu Data. I will choose now Custom Fields. I will press now Add. I will choose the destination where I want to enter the field, which is here the equipment. In this case, let's say we will be working in a car company and we will create 3 different clients' equipment. The first one will be the type of field text. I will write down here the name of the field, which is license plate. I will write down the label number and I will save the information. I will create now the second equipment. Still here, the type of field text. I will write down here car brand. I will save again the information and I will create the last equipment. Always here a text. And I will write down here car model. And I will write here model. I will save the information. I will now go back to the main view of our schedule and I will go to the client view. I will choose now as an example the client Interword solution. I will click now on the tab equipment. I will press now add. I will write down here the number of the license plate, which is DM45PM. The name of the brand, which is here Fiat, and the model, which is here Punto. I will save the information and I will enter a second client equipment. In this case, I will write down here the other license plate, which is DM96TP, the brand, which is still Fiat, but this time the model is Penta. I will save now the information like that. I will go back to our resource view. I will create, for example, a task for the resource Daniel, which is in this case a repair. I will add here the client Interword solution, and here I will have the possibility to choose between these two cars. I will choose in this case the Fiat Punto. I will save the information and the task is now registered. Another piece of information, if you want to see here in the task rectangle the client's equipment, you can add it directly from the menu Tools Description. So thank you for your attention and see you soon for new videos.